Yeah, bafethu. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, bafethu. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook. Yeah, bafethu. Dr. Kumal has just said something, nje. Only wise fan will understand ukuthi Dr. Khumalo bekathini. Dr. Khumalo uthi I want to see any PSL team challenge Sundowns without problems. Bafethu ne abanye abantu bathi ya ngithi Sundowns manje iyadliwa usho wona yiwo lawo ama-problems. No, kunalento le yabo mawuhlakaniphile you can understand ukuthi uthini uDr. Khumalo. Dr. Khumalo is saying anyone who challenges Sundowns must do it fairly. Since i-Pirates abantu bathi i-Pirates is challenging Sundowns, are they doing it fairly? Dr. Kumal is trying to tell you ukuthi yeah, we see Pirates on top of the league acting like they are challenging, but are they doing it fairly so that we can call them the best team in South Africa? No. Just ukuthi Dr. Khumalo didn't want to shame Ivan Khoza. Yabo, like he just put it on his face ukuthi uzobona if uhlakaniphile ukuthi ngithini. There is no team that can challenge Sundowns fairly ku-PSL. No, ngiyayala. That's why you saw i-Pirates beyinama-game in hand. In fact, befanele ngabe iwadlalile ama-game in hand but beyingadlali. Beyingadlali. Wonke ama-team bewadlala, Pirates was resting. Pirates was resting and bheka, not just resting ne. When they win, ureferee usuka yenza i-mistake. That is something Dr. Khumalo is trying to tell you ukuthi you can't challenge Sundowns fairly without any help from abo referee, from officials. You can't, you will lose. So you need those help. That's why you see Orlando Pirates is on top right now. Just Dr. Khumalo said it respectfully that I want to see any PSL team challenges Sundowns without problems. Danko, as first time ngibona i-legend likhuluma something enga-affect i-team le bekayidlalela but something eyiciniso wonke umuntu oyibonayo. Danko bafethu.